Here's a quick win for your ASCP MLS exam questions. Most test takers miss at least 3 questions because they ignore one key exam format rule. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to avoid that trap. In this video, you'll learn how ASCP MLS exam questions really work, what makes them tricky, and how to practice smarter. If you want to pass first try, this channel is built for lab pros chasing ASCP success, just like you. Let's dive in. First, every ASCP MLS exam questions set uses computer adaptive testing. That means each question's difficulty changes based on your last answer. So, nailing the easier questions early gives you an edge. Miss a few, and you'll get slightly easier ones, but don't let your guard down. Second, all ASCP MLS exam questions are multiple choice. One best answer, no trick questions. But many fail because they overthink. If you're stuck, pick the answer that matches lab protocols, not outlier facts. Third, practice with real ASCP-style questions. Topic areas like blood banking, clinical chemistry, hematology, and microbiology all appear. Every question is matched to the official exam content outline. Don't waste time guessing what's on the test. Thousands of lab professionals have passed using our expert-led prep, live classes, video lessons, study guides, and QBanks at our platform. If you want to crush your ASCP MLS exam questions, remember, know the format, practice with the right material, and review your mistakes. For more on Ask the MLS Exam Questions Quizlet, subscribe or check the channel. That's up next.